we have different chapters of the Lobo Club. This is the Sandoval County chapter, and they do events. They do a golf tournament. They do this coaches luncheon, and they've been very, very, very big in the ambassador program and everything else that goes on. So this is their event. They throw this luncheon, and we're really lucky to have Bob Davey out here, and we're just trying to get it out in the state of New Mexico. And obviously, Albuquerque is important to us, but we got to get in the entire state to get this thing going.
This is our 5th annual coaches luncheon that we've had here in our chapter, Sandoval County chapter. And basically it's all about raising money to pay for the student athlete scholarships at the university. So that's the main reason. Plus we get the community involved and we get new members to join. And so far we have approximately 500 members in Sandoval County. It's not just Rio Rancho, it's all of Sandoval County.
It's University of New Mexico, not University of Albuquerque. So it's really a statewide program. And that's why these chapters there's other chapters around the state. That's why it's so important to really get beyond the boundaries of just a metro area.
When I first came here, I talked about bringing big-time college football to Albuquerque. I appreciate their support. I know it hasn't been easy on them. Hopefully we can make it a lot better, but it's their football team. It's Rio Rancho, it's Albuquerque, it's Santa Fe, it's the New Mexico Lobos, it's the state of New Mexico. So we've got a responsibility to reach out.